My name is Arnav, and I am in the engineering program. I will be going into 12th grade. So the wind turbine building and competition was definitely a very interesting one because we also had to take into account cost, and they had specific material costs, which was something new and something I hadn't experienced before. So not only did we have to make the best wind turbine in terms of, or at least one of the better ones in terms of energy output, but we also had to take into account materials and see how well it would perform when divided by cost.
My name is Thomas. I'm in the engineering program at NSLC, and I will be entering my senior year of high school. When you're doing things like this without the cost aspect and you recognize that it'll have a cost, but you never really pay much attention to it, it's kind of like in the back of your head where you're kind of like, it would never be an actual scenario because you're never just given materials. That's never the forefront of your mind. Your mind is always on, how do I do this best and not? Is there a cheaper way to do this or maximize your efficiency with costing too much? It's a thought where, like, could we do this with less materials so that if we actually had to do this, it would cost less and we could make more for cheaper?
I'm Cassidy Hicks. I'm going into my senior year of high school and I'm in the engineering program. We didn't really get started till about a half an hour in when everyone else was already beginning because we were still arguing about the design. I feel like it's important in a group project to make sure that everyone's on the same page and everyone knows what's going on, because if there's any miscommunication or even just blatant arguing, you're not going to get anything done, and cooperation is key.